burn workout for this one. You will need your exercise mat. You will also need sliders. I have here furniture sliders, but you can use anything that will slide on your surface. You will also need a wider booty band for the last part of the workout. So we will go through for one circuit only. We will do exercises with the reps, and along the way I will explain to you also the proper form. Alright, let's start. Okay, so for our first exercise you will need one slider, and you're gonna step with one foot on the slider, and you're gonna go into the backward lunge for 15 reps. Okay, so shoulders back and down, abs engaged, and we go. Sliding back. You can have the back leg completely extended, and then push yourself up with the standing leg. That was one. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, for extra burn you don't have to go completely up, but you can keep the leg a little bit bent, okay? Alright, 15 reps on the other side. Let's go. Back. As low as you can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome job. Shake it off. Now we're going to go into the second exercise. A little bit right over there. And it's going to be side lunge to plie squat. So keep your legs wider apart, and we're going to go first to one side. So this is the side lunge. Both of the feet facing forward, booty back, shoulders back and down, back is straight. Okay, so we are like this, keeping the butt backward, so you have to feel the butt and hamstrings and your quads. From here, we're gonna go back up. Now, heels will turn inwards, and you're gonna go into the plie squat, and then again, feet facing forward, and we're gonna go into the other side. And when we're gonna go into the plie, that will be basically end of the rep, basically, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go for 20 reps. Ready? Engage your core, and we're gonna go side, and again, plie. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, the inner thighs will work here, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, and 20. Okay, good job, shake it off. Next one, we're gonna go into the on your mat. We're gonna go into the easier variation because this exercise is also for the beginners. But if you are in advanced, you can totally do the push-up from your toes. Alright, so here we're gonna go into the plank. We're gonna go into the slow shoulder tap. Okay, then we're gonna go down. We're gonna perform a tricep push-up, so elbows close to your body. And then you're gonna push up and go into the child's pose. So you get this nice core, upper body, and stretching move in one go. Okay, and we are doing 10 reps. Ready? Go into your plank on straight line, booty step under, and we go. So slowly, try not to move your hips. Okay, go down to the triceps, elbows close to your body like you would want to do chaturanga, and then go down. That was one. Go back up. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And that was 10. Okay. Next exercise. Next one, we're going to do slow mountain climbers on sliders. So again, we are targeting upper body and core. So we're going to fold our mats a bit, and we're doing 30 reps. So get your sliders, put them under your toes. Again, one straight line. You're going to go in and out. Okay? So both feet will actually go alternating with counting because we're going to do slow mountain climbers. Alright, ready? To the plank position, abs engaged, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 30. Very good burn. Okay. Next exercise, we have 4 scissors into the leg drop. So we're going on our backs. Press your lower back to the mat. That's really, really important. Okay, you can also have your hands below your glutes, but really try to engage the core down and press it to the mat. Okay, so lift up the chest, and we're gonna go for scissors 4 times, and when we're gonna be up here, you're gonna slowly drop the legs down. Okay, if you will feel that you're peeling off the lower back from the mat, then just stay here. Okay, don't do like that kind of thing. Alright, control it. 10 reps in total, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Down. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the slower you go, the more you're gonna feel. And we have last exercise for the circuit, which is dive bomber, and we're gonna do the easier variation. Okay, if you are strong enough, you can do dive bomber in the hard variation from the toes, but we're gonna go from the knees. Okay, so you're on your knees, and you're gonna slide first head, chin, chest, and then you're gonna come up, and then you're gonna reverse the movement. And that is rep 1. So if you need to do the harder variation, go on your down dog position, sliding forward, up, and then reverse the movement. Okay, all right, ready? We have 10 reps. Let's go. Up, down, that was 1. Sliding backwards, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay, this workout took us now 12 minutes and 7 seconds, but we're gonna also do now a little burnout. You will need your power band. You're gonna put the power band just above your knees. Okay? And you're gonna do bridges for 45 seconds. Then you're just gonna flip over for your plank, and you're gonna do the plank hold for next 45 seconds. Okay, so we're starting in 5 seconds. Have to put it here, and let's go. So up, squeeze it.
That special feeling that I once lost. Once I was right in my
30 more seconds to go. Really make sure that the power band is under tension. 15 seconds. This is your little burnout. Three, 2, the last one, and we're gonna go into the plank hold. Hold it. Squeezing the butt together, pressing with your palms away from the floor, abs tight. A little bit longer, 15 more seconds. Press the heels backwards. 5 more seconds. 2, 1. Alright, so that was our fat burn. You can do this workout after your normal workout routine, so the full body fat burn, or you can also do it as a separate workout. Just repeat 2 or 3 more times. Alright, hope you like this routine. So rock as always. And yeah, I see you next time with the workout. And also, if you want to work out with me every single day, don't forget to check my webpage fitnessbymaya.com, where I upload the videos every single day, and you can have the schedule and work out with me every single day. And I have a lot of different workout styles as well, so check it out. And see you next time, guys. Thank you for training with me. Ciao.